Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex. Today I want to show you an inflatable SUV mattress that this brand sent to me for this video. It comes with the bag, so you can actually take it with you on the go for like if you're going to go like camping or hiking, fishing, going to the beach, tailgating, whatever. You can just take this one with you on the go. It's about 6.56 feet long, so you gotta kind of like take the measurements on your SUV. This is a Lexus 3X TX350, so you're gonna make sure that either you have a long SUV or one with 3 rows like this one. So that's gonna be the example. But it also comes with a pump that you can actually, like you can see over here, plug to your car and inflate the inflatable mattress super easy, as well as have the pillows, which I'm gonna do right now so you can see this one better. So on the bottom, you're gonna find kind of like different places to inflate it. So you will have to close them and put this kind of like lid on just to make sure that this one gonna stay closed while you're inflating the section. So we're gonna go with the first one, which should be right here. So we use this pump that is connected to the car right now, just over there with the cable, and we go. So here's the thing, it's actually really easy. I think you gotta do like 3 steps on this side and 3 steps on this other side, and it will take you about like 10 minutes, no more than that. You just like turn on your car and just make sure that you have a place that you can plug that air pump, and you're all set. So it's gonna be kind of like about 10 minutes, I gotta say, no more than that. And it also comes with these 2 pillows, so this is one of them, so you can just like do that one with your own lungs. And you can see that this one, I'm 5'10", and I can fit perfectly here. This is actually really cool. I have to say that it's pretty cool for just like going on a camping adventure with your kid or something like that, or your partner or something. 2 people can fit perfectly here. Even a third one, like a kid or something like that in the middle, that could be really cool. But it's also really soft. I have to say that this fabric is kind of like nice and soft. So it will be kind of like cool for like a camping night or something like that, or just have fun with your kids and make sure that you have this one. Oh, it's actually pretty comfy. And then when you're done, you just open up the bulbs, open up the lids, those caps, and just make sure that you get all the air, flip it up, unfold it back, and put it back in the bag, and you're all set and ready to go. This is really convenient. Just make sure 6.56 feet long for 3 rows SUVs or long SUVs. This is gonna be a really good fit. If not, you're just gonna make sure that you have the perfect measurements. But nice and easy to carry over, easy to take with you, super soft, inflatable in 6 kind of like sections. You're all set, and go and take that camping adventure.